Hi everyone and welcome to Bikini Designs Club YouTube channel. My name is Sara and I'm the person behind Bikini Design Club. Today I just want to tell you that you have some different playlists on our YouTube channel where you will find pattern intros. So when you want to know a little bit more about each pattern that we sell on our online store, you can check the pattern intros, and on the intros we will share with you some tricks and options on how to sew the patterns. We present you the patterns. Then if you really want to start sewing them, you have the tutorials, and that's another playlist. And finally, if you want to learn more tips and tricks, details on how to do flounces, how to calculate flounces, ruffles, elastics, whatever detail we will need on this beautiful world of swimwear sewing, you will have it on our All About playlists. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you like our channel and subscribe. Bye!